What if aging wasn't inevitable? What if death wasn't the end? What if science could make you live forever? For centuries, humans have searched for the secret to immortality. From ancient myths of the fountain of youth to cutting-edge gene editing, we've always dreamed of stopping time. But what if I told you we might be closer than ever? Could humans really defeat aging? And if so, should we? Before we talk about stopping aging, we need to ask, why do we age in the first place? Every second, your body is repairing itself. Cells divide, heal, and regenerate. But over time, tiny errors build up. DNA gets damaged. Cells stop functioning properly. And eventually, the body starts to break down. But here's the strange part. Some creatures don't age at all. If nature has already cracked the code, can we? Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When injured or stressed, it does something incredible. It reverses its life cycle, turning back into a baby and starting over. And it can do this indefinitely. Then there's the Greenland shark. It can live over 500 years. Some are older than the United States. If nature has created creatures that can live for centuries, or even forever, what's stopping us from unlocking the same secrets? In the last decade, scientists have made mind-blowing discoveries in anti-aging research. Some believe we can slow down aging, or even reverse it. Here's how. Telomeres. These are like the protective caps on the ends of your DNA. Every time a cell divides, they get shorter. When they're gone, the cell dies. But scientists have found ways to lengthen them, essentially turning back the clock on aging cells. Senolytics. These are drugs designed to eliminate zombie cells, old, damaged cells that refuse to die and cause inflammation. Gene editing. CRISPR scientists are learning how to reprogram cells and erase signs of aging. Imagine a future where doctors could edit out the effects of time. But if we start editing our bodies, how far should we go? What if aging wasn't just slowed down, but eliminated completely? Some researchers believe that within the next 50 years, we might reach longevity escape velocity, where medical technology advances so fast that each year life expectancy increases by more than a year. Meaning, if you live long enough, you might live forever. But what would a world without aging look like? Imagine a world where no one dies. Sounds great, right? But what happens when there are too many people? If no one ages, would we ever retire? Would we ever have children? Would only the rich have access to immortality? And perhaps the biggest question of all, would life still have meaning if it never ended? If our bodies can't last forever, what about our minds? Scientists and tech billionaires are working on a radical idea: mind uploading. The theory? We could scan the human brain, convert it into data, and upload ourselves to a computer, living forever in a digital world. But if you uploaded your mind, would it still be you? Or just a copy? And if we could live in a digital world, would we ever want to come back? From gene editing to AI-driven medicine, the future of aging is changing faster than ever. Some scientists believe the first person to live to 200 years old is already alive today. Others think we might merge with machines, becoming something entirely new. But one thing is certain: we are standing at the edge of a revolution. For the first time in history, we are on the verge of defying time itself. But as we push the boundaries of science and nature, we must ask ourselves, should we really live forever? Or is the beauty of life found in its impermanence? The secret to immortality may be closer than we think. But are we ready for it?